In this video we learn how to set up MetaMask and transfer from X Bank. Search for MetaMask in Google. Click on MetaMask. Click on this. Click on Add to Chrome. Downloading started. MetaMask added. Click on Import Wallet or create a new wallet. Create a password. Your MetaMask wallet created. Click on Networks. Then click on Custom RPC. Open www.xcash.foundation. Now click on WXCash. Scroll down to add the Polygon network to MetaMask. Copy all these details and paste it in MetaMask. Now click on Save and network will be added. Now we add the WXCash token to MetaMask. Click on Add Token. Copy this token address. Then paste token address here. Click on Add Tokens and your token will be added. Now open x-bank.io. Click on Swap. Swap is free and can be done completely without any fees. Now click on Transfer. Enter your wallet address here. Enter amount and click on Send. Reload and you will receive your Xcash on MetaMask. For more information go to xcash.foundation and click here.